Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you some easy and monetized YouTube channel ideas without showing your face, your voice, and even without shooting, screenshot, or editing. I'll also show you some useful free tools for beginners. Let's check them out. Idea number 1, a food channel. Everyone loves food, so this is undoubtedly a good choice. You can shoot your cooking process by your own, like this Dancing Bacon channel, which has over 2 million subscribers. Or you can shoot someone else's cooking, such as the Street Chef channel. It also has a huge number of subscribers. You can see the videos just record how the street food is made. Looks pretty easy. Let's see how much they can earn on Social Blade, a very helpful free tool for YouTube channel data. A channel like Dancing Bacon's can earn $800,000 per year. And as for the Street Chef, it's over $100,000 USD. So food channels are worth trying. Idea 2, tech channel. Gadgets for phones, PCs, cars, smart homes, etc. are really popular in recent decades. You may think there's already many channels covering this topic. Well, this Invention Tech channel may get you inspired. Their videos list cool things on Amazon India, and viewers can buy them from the product links in the descriptions, so they can get affiliate income from every order. They have over 400,000 subscribers and 100,000 income yearly. Maybe this is a good chance for you to start a niche channel focused on a specific country, region, or language. Idea number 3, gaming channel. This type of channel can be fun if you play any type of games, such as online, mobile, console games, or anything else. Like this channel, Rupo. All you need to do is screen record your game while you're playing. You don't even need a voiceover. Just add some subtitles during the key moments. You don't have to be good at the game. Funny moments are the most welcome sometimes. 4 million subscribers may bring $250,000 every year. Are you still waiting? Number 4. Crafts channel is another choice if you like DIY by yourself. The Kiwi Show is this kind of channel that helps people create little things and have fun. This channel's estimated yearly earnings is $1 million. That's incredible. You can start to shoot your little masterpieces from now. I'm sure someone would love to see them. Idea number 5. If you want to do a kids channel, subjects on kids' education would be liked by many parents. The Storytime Family and English Sing Sing are 2 channels for reference. Sharing kids' stories or songs with animations is a good idea to avoid showing your face. Sports is another popular channel idea. I want to show you this channel called Sportdelicie HD. It's doing football, basketball, tennis, and other sporting events. Videos like best moments, funniest moments, and fan meetings are easily getting hundreds of thousands of views because there's a huge number of sports lovers worldwide. The estimated earning is $1.7 million every year. Can you believe it? The next idea is an animal channel. Animals and pets are too cute to reject for anyone. Like this, Aw Animals. You just can't stop watching once you get started. You can shoot your own pet or find some funny videos to make a collection. So, where to find free video clips? You can go to Pixabay, Pexels, or Cover. These websites provide various resources. Search for the one you need. They're all free. Idea number 8, instrumental channel. If you're good at any musical instrument, it will be less stressful to play it without showing your face. It doesn't matter what you play, whether it be piano, guitar, or bongos. If you can add some special visual effects, like the Russo channel, that'll make it more interesting. Can you imagine that it makes $1 million per year? Don't waste your talent. We've talked about 8 ideas. You must be wondering, what if you're not specialized in anything? Is there still any chance to run a channel? Definitely yes. Let's see some more examples. Idea number 9 is the Listicles Top 10 Videos channel. All you need to do for this type of channel idea is to make a collection of videos on some interesting topics, like top 10 songs, movies, games, players, etc. People love watching this kind of ranking video. Here's a channel called Hits Central. It only has about 30 videos, but it has over 3 million views in the last 30 days. Another idea is app tutorials. Check out this How to Apps channel. It teaches people how to use some specific features on different apps. It looks simple but practical. I think it's worth trying, as almost everyone uses a phone now. You may have a chance to earn over $100,000 to run a channel like this. The next one is Lifehacks. Tie Trick is this kind of channel. It introduces various life hacks and useful tricks which are very helpful when people have small problems in daily life. The last one is Data Channel. First, you need to collect some data. Free data resources can be found on websites like statista.com. Then, you will need a tool called Flourish to help make your data visualization very attractive. We can see from this Rankings Hub channel topics like countries, cartoons, brands, and many more to choose from. If you want to make videos without showing your voice, here are 2 different ways. Method 1. Use text and background music. Where can you get royalty-free music? First of all, YouTube has its own royalty-free music just in your YouTube Studio audio library. Or you can find some music on websites like Bensound and Pixabay. They provide royalty-free music. Method 2. Outsource your voiceover. Simply outsource your voiceover to a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr. It's faster and easier to record one by yourself if you're not good at it. If you don't want to shoot or screenshot a video, there's so many free footages that you can use directly. We've talked about this before. You can go to free video sites like Pixabay, Pexels, or Cover. They will save you time. Is there a way if you don't want to make or edit videos? I'm afraid you have to learn some basic skills at least, like cutting, merging, and adding audio in order to create one video. Some professional video editors use Premiere Pro, but this may not be the best for beginners. You can find some easy-to-use tools without complex features, like iMyFone Filme. Okay, that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any thoughts of what channel you want to do, please leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.